Now, tonight, even Instagram is becoming risky territory for Indians in America. That's right. An Indian origin software engineer recently became the center of the online controversy after an alleged Instagram collaboration triggered debate around the H-1B visa compliance. Now, understand why this issue exploded online. Under H-1B rules, workers they are generally allowed to work only for their sponsoring employer, right? That means earning money through social media promotion, influencer partnership, or maybe paid collaboration could potentially create immigration complication if interpreted as unauthorized work. And tonight, immigration lawyers are warning visa holders to become extremely careful online. In fact, some attorneys they reportedly warned that even harmless looking cooking videos, beauty content or promotional activities may attract scrutiny if immigration authorities believe that commercial activity is involved. In fact, reports also suggest that the US visa official increasingly review social media activity during H-1B extension processes and visa interview. Now, for a moment, imagine the pressure that this creates. Workers are not only worried about office performance anymore, they are worrying about Instagram reels, brand collaborations, online visibility, even social media captions. And, ladies and gentlemen, tonight this story reveals how immigration enforcement in America is slowly expanding into digital life itself. Inside Meta, workers are reportedly protesting against workplace surveillance itself. Well, according to the reports, employees distributed pamphlets and that too inside Meta offices, accusing the company of turning workplaces into what they called an employee data extraction factory. And you know what really triggered this backlash? Mouse tracking software. That's right. Employees claim that Meta introduced system capable of monitoring cursor movement, clicking pattern, digital interaction behavior. Now, wait for a second. Can you imagine sitting inside an office where every moment of your laptop or your computer, it may be analyzed by your boss? That means every click, every pause, every action that you do. And yes, at the very same time, layoffs are approaching. In fact, Meta has announced major layoff, and that is the atmosphere reportedly developing inside Meta. The company is expected to reduce nearly 10% of its workforce while reconstructing aggressively around AI system. In fact, many employees fear that the software may eventually help train the artificial intelligence tools capable of replacing human workers themselves. But in the meantime, Meta defended the technology by saying that it improves AI performance through studying real-world human interaction with computers. But internally, frustration has reportedly been rising rapidly. In fact, some employees have started discussing unionization efforts through labor group in Europe and the United Kingdom. And you know this matters a lot for Indians. Why? Because Indians form a major part of Meta's global engineering workforce. And tonight, many Indian professionals are asking themselves just one basic yet very controversial question. Even if Silicon Valley's biggest companies are becoming unstable and surveillance heavy, then what exactly is secure anymore in the United States? Ladies and gentlemen, speaking of Meta, tonight we bring you 7 major developments connected to Indians in America, specifically the techies. Stories that reveal how technology, immigration policy, layoffs, and global instability are changing lives for Indians abroad. 7 stories, 7 warning signs, one changing America. So tonight, let us connect the dots. Now, in the first segment, let's talk about Walmart. Tonight, America's retail giant Walmart is reportedly cutting or relocating nearly 1,000 corporate employees as part of a major reconstructing linked to the artificial intelligence and technology operation. Now, you know what? This is not just another layoff headline like previously. This is a glimpse into future of corporate America itself. According to reports, Walmart reviewed its internal AI and technology structure and concluded that multiple teams were overlapping in their responsibilities. Executives reportedly decided the company needed greater efficiency rather than the volume. After that, employees were informed through internal memos. Some workers were told to relocate to Bentonville or North California. Others were encouraged to search for different internal positions. Ladies and gentlemen, let's pause for a moment here and think very carefully about what this really means. Walmart is not collapsing financially, right? In fact, it is booming. It is not really a struggling company desperately trying to survive in a very hassled world. Instead, this is a profitable giant aggressively preparing for an AI driven future. Well, the company has already launched AI powered super agents designed to improve shopping, logistics, and consumer experience system all together. And tonight, Indians who are working in this corporate technology role across America, they are watching this new development very, very closely. Why? Because Indians form a huge part of America's back-end tech ecosystem, be it analytics, engineering, cloud system, automation, enterprise technology. In fact, for years, white collar tech jobs looked pretty stable for them. Now, even office workers, they are beginning to fear automation itself. And tonight, one reality is becoming impossible to ignore. The layoffs of the future may not happen because companies are failing. They may happen because machines are becoming more efficient than humans. Because tonight, Walmart has announced 1,000 plus layoffs.